Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate emoji suggestions on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps and go to the settings. Now find and pick General Management and reach Language and Input. Right here you should go to On-Screen Keyboard and select your default keyboard, which is Samsung keyboard. Then go to Smart Typing, and right here you will notice emoji suggestion. You can smoothly switch it off by clicking on Suggest Emojis, and then you can activate it the same way. So once the indicator is active, it means that this feature is on, and obviously the opposite means that it will not be active. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate emoji suggestions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.